In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides quickly and professionally. This is perfect if you have charts, tables, or reports in Excel and you want to present them in a clean PowerPoint presentation without recreating everything from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to insert your Excel file directly into PowerPoint and adjust it to fit your slide perfectly. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation where you want to insert your Excel data. Once you're inside your presentation, go to the slide where you want the Excel data to appear. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the options for adding different types of content into your slide. In the Insert ribbon, look for the Text group. Inside that group, click on Object. This will open the Insert Object dialog box, which allows you to embed files directly into your PowerPoint slide. In the Insert Object dialog box, select the option that says Create from File. This option allows you to pull in an existing Excel file from your computer instead of creating a new blank object. After selecting Create from File, click on the Browse button. A new window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. From the folder list, select Downloads if your Excel file is saved there. If your file is in a different location, simply navigate to that specific folder. Once you've located your Excel file, click on the file to select it, and then click OK in the Browse window. You'll now return to the Insert Object dialog box, and you should see the file path displayed. Click OK again to confirm and insert the file into your slide. Now your Excel file will appear on the slide as an embedded object. At this point, you can click and drag anywhere on the slide workspace to place the inserted object exactly where you want it. If it appears too large or too small, don't worry. Simply click on the object to select it, then drag the corner handles inward or outward to resize it proportionally. You can also click and drag the object to reposition it anywhere on the slide. This makes it easy to align it with other elements like titles, images, or text boxes. Take a moment to adjust the size and position until it looks clean and professional within your layout. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click anywhere outside the object on the slide to finalize its position. Your Excel data is now successfully inserted into PowerPoint. One important thing to remember is that because this is an embedded object, you can double-click at any time to open and edit the Excel content directly within PowerPoint. This is extremely useful if you need to update numbers, adjust formatting, or make quick changes without going back to the original Excel file separately. And that's it. That's how you convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides using the Insert Object feature. It's fast, efficient, and keeps your original formatting intact. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.